This is the Daily Market Comment by Marios Hadjikyriacos. I'm Maria Pashurthes. Thanks for joining us at XM.com. In an epic reversal after pulling out of the stimulus talks last week, Donald Trump came back to the negotiating table on Friday with a counteroffer of $1.8 trillion, sparking hopes that a deal is still possible on this side of the election. This is still some distance from the $2.2 trillion the Democrats insist on, but quite encouraging nonetheless, as the gap between the two camps is clearly narrowing. Global markets responded in typical risk-on fashion to the rising odds of an agreement. The major U.S. stock indices climbed to their best levels since early September, commodity currencies rallied furiously, and the dollar sank as deficit worries returned to haunt the reserve currency. But a weaker greenback and colossal government deficits are a magical elixir for gold, which stormed back above the $1,900 region. The Democrats have already shot Trump's proposal down as insufficient, yet investors are keeping their hopes up for a breakthrough after White House economic advisor Larry Kudlow suggested that the president could raise his offer even further. Overall, financial markets are increasingly saying this is a win-win game. Trump seems desperate for a deal, so either some agreement will be hammered out soon, or the Democrats could win a decisive victory at the ballot box and ultimately deliver even greater stimulus. At this stage, the biggest risk for markets may be new polls showing Trump and the Republicans staging a comeback, which could pour cold water on hopes for heavy spending. In the UK, Prime Minister Johnson is expected to unveil tighter measures to bring the nation's COVID outbreak back under control after daily infections exploded higher lately. The euro is under some pressure today after the ECB's chief economist warned that the latest surge in coronavirus cases could derail the economic rebound. Lane's remarks hint at a more dovish tone at the ECB's late October meeting, which argue for another wave lower in euro-dollar. That said, the main drivers for the pair will be U.S. stimulus and election expectations. This was today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for joining us at XM.com.